How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. These are the Amina glass cups. You get 6 of them. Kind of has this look of aluminum cans, but they're reusable. Here's a soda can. It's a little bit smaller. Does it fit? It doesn't. This is my first time doing it. It actually does not fit inside, but it does have wood lids, a little grommet things everywhere to prevent spilling. You get 6 chalkboard style stickers, a white pen, so really good for entertaining guests. When you grab onto this, it feels good in your hand that you're drinking from a glass cup. Nothing plasticky, and if you're into reusable straws, not using those metal ones is really nice. Usually when you put your lip on metal straws, it kind of gives it a weird taste. So this glass straw thing is a plus. It also comes with 2 straw washing brushes. Here's one of the stickers. It's fairly thin but very sticky. Make sure it's level and put it on. Comes with this white pen. Look at that. A little design too. Each straw fits inside and each lid comes apart. For washing purposes, you can pull the rubber gasket out and also this part too. Watch out for the direction as the thicker side goes on top. When you put it back, make sure it's seated on both sides and then you can replace the grommet. Notice each grommet has 2 holes so you can expel air as you close the lid. And then the lid just goes on. I'm gonna prepare a fizzy pear drink. I have my soda stream right here. Pressurize the soda, put in some ice. I have pear juice, a little bit. This is not too fizzy because I ran out of air. Close the lid. Use a straw to mix it around a little bit. Kind of hold it like this. This standard glass is just slightly thicker than this one. I know they sell a lot of really thin glass, so I would say this is on the medium side. You really shouldn't touch the label because if you get your fingers wet, it does rub off. So that's a good thing. You just gotta tell the guests, don't touch your name tag. If I were you, I would try to put it a little bit higher up than this so you have somewhere to grab it. Now you have to kind of hold it like this, which is not bad because then people can see your name on the outside. Now, what about spill tests? Let's see. That's pretty good. I'd say that's fairly spill proof, but probably not upside down. If you go all the way sideways, it will come out of the straw, of course. For the straw seal, it's not watertight. And the washing tool, of course, it fits right inside. I have 12 ounces or 1.5 cups of water here. Let's see how high it fills up. We need more. 16 ounce, 2 full cups of water. Can put in there. What about upside down? Just a little bit of spill, even upside down. If you guys are interested in getting this set for yourself, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.